Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your entertainment agency business. If you run an entertainment agency business, then sending all the packages and accepting bookings can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will send all the packages and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now, if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. Here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen, and to activate the chatbot, I'm going to send a general message like hi. And our chatbot responds us with, "Welcome to Star Spark Entertainment. We help you book performers and shows that dazzle." And it has responded us with two options. I'm going to select the first one that says artist packages. And it has responded us with all the artist packages such as DJ night combo for 15,000 rupees, Bollywood dance troupe for 25,000 and stand-up comedian for 10,000 rupees. Next, I'm going to select the second option that says booking for event. And it is asking for event type, so I'm going to send wedding. Now it is asking for location, so I'm going to send a demo response as ABC location. And now it is asking for date, so I'm going to send a demo response as June 6th. And it responds us with, "Your booking is being processed. We have received your details as wedding, ABC location, June 6th. And it has provided us with the things that we will receive as artist confirmation, invoice and payment link, and event date checklist. Thank you for choosing Star Spark Entertainment." And this is the WhatsApp chatbot that we have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to create the same, you have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in, and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now, and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have Dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities, and stats. Next we have is Inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have Contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have Team Queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have Template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have Broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have Flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have Settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations, and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs, or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect, and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining, and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created, so when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled, so I'm going to rename it as WhatsApp Chatbot for Entertainment Agency. On the screen, there is a flow start feature under which we have an option to enter keywords.
Here we can add some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, we also have an option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression, and it is a special pattern of characters which can activate the chatbot with any given keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format, which is this. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex, and here we have another option to choose template, and when we click on it, we get a list of all the approved templates. We can choose any template to send to the user. Now I'm going to curate our first message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add a welcome message like this. And here I'm going to add little star signs, as it will make our text appear bold on WhatsApp, which will make it look more presentable. It will appear like this to the user. Now I'm going to add some quick reply options with the help of add button, and here I'm going to add this, and now we have to curate a response for each quick reply option. Let's begin with artist packages, and for this I'm going to access the text button from here, and here I'm going to add all the packages like this. Our text will appear like this to the user, and next I'm going to curate a response for booking for event, and for this I'm going to access question box, and here I'm going to take booking details like this, and here we are asking for event type. I'm going to make this bold as well like this, and here I'm going to select contact custom field as add, and as format I'm going to select any, and then I'm going to link it to the corresponding quick reply option. If you want to learn how to create contact custom field, you can check the link in the description box. Then I'm going to curate another question, and here I'm going to ask for location like this, and I'm going to link it to the question box, and in the contact custom field I'm going to select address, and format I'm going to select any, and lastly I'm going to curate another question box, and here I'm going to ask for the date like this, and I'm going to link it to the question box as well. In the contact custom field I'm going to select date, and as format I'm going to select any, and lastly I'm going to curate a confirmation message with the help of text button, and here I'm going to add, and here I've added this message. It will look like this, and here I've added $add, $address and $date because these were our contact custom fields, and $sign will make sure that they get replaced by the actual details sent by the user. And lastly we have said thank you for choosing Star Spark Entertainments, and this is how we have created our WhatsApp chatbot for entertainment agency, which will not only provide artisan packages but also provide booking for event and confirm the booking all automatically on WhatsApp itself. Now if you want to create the same, you can follow this procedure as I've shown in this video, and once you have created your flow you can save it from here, and once the flow is updated successfully you're good to go. Thanks for watching.
Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.